Let's just move here. Watch out for this one level, as this could actually decide our fate, stock market fate, this week or even next week. So for macro markets, 5th of May 2025, currently we are actually experiencing a deteriorating of the profit signal. So over here, you can see that it is actually coming down for the past 3 to 5 days or so. Even though the market has been going up, but we are getting less and less traction in terms of the profit signal. This generally signals a divergence, and with a divergence, then market can turn around. And of course, this is not any fear mongering or whatever. It's just a healthy correction after a 9-day straight of rally. So a few things to take note. If we eventually go down, but then we bounce off from a higher low, then we would very much likely gain even more traction from here on. But then do watch for this level, which is around $17,800 for the Nasdaq future. So if you were to go down below the 17,800, then odds of it testing the previous low around 16,440 will be there. So just keep a lookout. So for my personal action plan, right, currently I have 4,300 shares, and also coming from 17 levels on my evergreen wheel strategy. So because of that, I was thinking of adapting where I am right now to where is my most ideal plan. So along the way, I did gotten assigned on some shares that doesn't really align with where I am right now. But what I do is I divide it accordingly. I should have about 2.5 contracts per level. So I'm just going to keep it as 2 contracts per level. I'm just going to sell the cover call as per normal. And then for those unproductive shares, I'm going to sell profitable 10 delta, which is under my kangaroo cover call. And eventually for the existing shares that I have, I will sell or roll the long and short evergreen wheel strategy. So few things could happen over a very long run. So in the event the market will continue to go up all the way to my personal high or whatever, which is above $69, then my portfolio will have gotten back to way above my personal all-time high. So, but of course, along the way, right, for me to switch into this mode, I would be able to get weekly income, and also without much market timing, which is what I have been doing so over the past few weeks. And as for if the market were to stay sideways over the next 1 to 2 years, it doesn't really matter, because I will just continue to collect very high cash flow over this whole season as well. And then in the event the market will go down, then my long wheel will get assigned as per normal, which is as per normal. But then the short side of the wheel strategy, of the true evergreen wheel strategy, will reduce the loss. So this is actually a pretty good win as well. The outcome I try to focus on getting for myself is to have lesser or even no direction bias, no fear and greed, emotions, more systematic, and finish within 15 minutes per week. If I can challenge 10 minutes, I think that will be even better as well. So I guess I come to a point recently that I've been reminded about my core fundamentals of why this strategy has worked so fast, so much for me. Along the way, I did deviate along, and I didn't respect certain ratio. So right now, I'm just getting back on track, and we probably, don't let a crash go to waste. Feel the emotion, remember the emotion, and constantly solidify our trading investment thesis. For the rest, you can read through the rest of the report, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.